Hi, my name is Piotr. In this video, I'll talk about 3 ways you can generate income using YouTube. I am a freelance video and film editor, and I run a YouTube channel called Cut to the Point, which is all about streamlining the editing process for people like me, basically freelance editors. I love editing. I love the process of putting the clips together, of creating the story with visual and audio clips. So that's what I do. But at the same time, I put as much time and effort I can into building the audience, building a YouTube channel, because it's another passion I have. So YouTube landscape changes very rapidly. And what worked 5 years ago won't work today, actually. I'll give you 3 ways you can actually do money on YouTube. The first one is that with making a content about a specific topic, in a specific niche, you are positioning yourself as a kind of thought leader in that industry. So it helps you to bring new clients to you, basically to sell your service. And it happened to me, after 4 or 5 videos I posted on YouTube, my client from Australia, the same I'm editing for videos right now, contacted me asking, are you available for work? It brought me clients that I wanted to have, actually, because back then I just had 1 gig clients that paid some money but not a lot. But I didn't have a client that was sustainable, that would pay me a kind of retainer. And having YouTube channel, creating my own content helped me to do it. The second one is, other companies are selling their products in front of your videos, right? So you can kind of reverse engineer that approach, and you can sell your own products. Obviously, you need to build them first, so it's a lot of work up front. But at the same time, it's very important that you sell a good product. So what is a good product? A good product is a product that solves your audience problem. So you need to find out what problems your audience is facing, and then you need to find a solution for that. So how do we actually recognize what problem your audience is facing, right? So I did it with a giveaway. It's a pretty cool idea where you actually give something away, and the only thing that people need to do to get on board, to get into kind of that lottery ticket draw, is to answer a question. What do they struggle with? And once they do it, you have a lot of answers, and basically you can narrow it down, you can filter it down. What is the one that is the core message of people who watch your content. So right now I am about to launch the Editing Chef course, which is all about boosting productivity for freelance editors. So that's the easiest way I think that it worked for me, where you can recognize what is the problem of your audience. And the third way you can do money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. What does it mean? It's actually selling someone else's products. You are promoting a given product. You should be thinking in these terms. So what products you are already using, or what products you wish you would be using. And then you can reach out to that company and ask, do you have an affiliate program? If they do, they will link you up, they will set you up and negotiate a commission sometimes. Sometimes they won't really negotiate it, they have a fixed rate. So the easiest example is Adobe software. Actually, Adobe does have the affiliate programs. If someone signs up using your link for Photoshop or any other Adobe program, you will get a commission. So these are 2 very easy ways. And the third one would be Amazon. Everything we do requires tools. Even if you do if you don't want to be the one recommending cameras or recommending, I don't know, any other kind of gear, you can recommend a book or a movie to someone, right? And you can post a link to it in the description of a video on YouTube. So if someone buys that book or a movie with that link, you get a commission. It's a small commission, but again, that's the way you should approach it, small steps, baby steps. So my plans for the next year, business-wise, are to focus on getting the Editing Chef, the course I'm launching in 2 weeks, to the point where it's really good, where people are really happy that they signed up. So, you know, for some people it's like they want to build as many products as they can. For me, it's not. I want to take it kind of step by step, and I want to make sure that people are very happy with the product I created. So I want to probably add a few videos to that course once people join, once I have more feedback, and kind of reiterate on that thing, right? To make it better, to make it really good. So people can find me on Cut to the Point, is the name of my YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe.